So this is my 1984 Chevy Caprice. I did a video on it a while ago, but never really went through like the breakdown process of the car. I'm telling y'all, pretty much describing like what was done to it and what's being done to it. It's like I said, it's an 84 Chevy Caprice. I bought it back like 3 years ago. I managed to put the sunroof in myself, which I did not want a automatic roof like most people got, the panoramics. I tried to go OG with the pop top. Put the opera lights on myself. The front has 5-inch cups in the front. I had 28s on here, but I took them off. I actually got rid of them because I'm trying to go a different route. Me calling myself doing my own work. This is actually the wrong bumper filler for the car, but I managed to make it work. As y'all see, I tried my best, but that comes with the process. Oh wait, let me show y'all under the hood. Oh, under the hood, it's a stock 305. All I did was change the carburetor and the intake. Did my wiring for the big three. Changed the alternator out. Everything under this hood is stock. It will be coming out once it leaves here, which I am at JTK Customs, 1800 Old Williamsburg Road in Sandston, Virginia. Come check them out. As y'all see, they got hits around here. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, like I said, it's a 305 turbo 350 trans, stock rear. I actually have a new motor that's going in it. And I'll talk about that, later on down in the process. But as you see, the door panels, everything has already been removed. Like I said, stock interior for the most part. That's the roof. I got right here my rocker panels and the new bumper fillers right there. I gotta get a new windshield too. Getting the headliner redone, get the seats redone. As you see, like, the car is in pretty clean condition. Come on. There we go. Like I said, I'm getting it redone. I did, like I said, everything in the back. Those were 4/8 mid-ranges that I had in there with the third brake light that I wired up myself. Yeah, like I said, this is just an overall walk around of the car. Right now, it's nothing special. The plan is to I'm putting a digital dash in there, which I'm glad I'm here getting this footage because I'm actually putting a digital dash in it from Autocraft. So I had to come and make sure that would fit. But yeah, like I said, overall, I broke the trunk maybe like a few weeks ago. This is what's in the trunk now. I had to bungee cord it shut because literally, as you see, them 15s break everything. So, yeah. Just like I said, it's just an overall walk around of the car. Like I said, it's 5-inch cups in the front, air shocks in the rear, which all of that is getting ready to get changed out. I got a new set of wheels coming, new motor, new trans. It's gonna be a totally different car. Actually, it's like I said, it's a lot of parts that I'm replacing on this. So y'all just stay tuned. I'm trying to get more into vlogging, you know what I'm saying, so people get to hear my voice at least. I don't really like putting my face on camera unless I got to. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all subscribe on YouTube and on Instagram. Whip Caviar, WHIP_. Caviar on Instagram. I do a podcast every Friday at 8 p.m. Talking about big rim racing and big rim culture in the DMV. So make sure y'all tune in to that. And like I said, 2024 gonna be a good year. So y'all tap in, man. Appreciate the love.
You already know it's your boy CC, man, and I'm with Whip Caviar, man. And you want all the best tastes of the whips, you know, Chevys, Ford, all different type of variety of tastes. You gotta come to the Caviar, man. Y'all already know who whipping up the best, man. My boy Whip Caviar got the best videos. He do it right. He keep it all neutral. He be everywhere like he's supposed to be. Y'all never be there, so y'all gotta use him to get there. And my boy Whip Caviar, man, so all we do is put the caviar on the plate for you guys who ain't great. Cause my dog is doing his thing, and he don't stay in his place, cause he makes sure he have the biggest plate of caviar. But shouts to my boy Whip Caviar, man. Remember, the taste bud gotta be good. It's like caviar, and my boy got it for you.
You feel me? JTK Customs all day long, you feel me? 1800 Old Westbrook Road, y'all about to come feel you tripping if you ain't. Tripping if you ain't, nigga.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?